Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the top 10 stocks which brokerages bet on post Q2 results. So we all know that many companies have released their Q2 results. So based on that, many brokerages like Prabhudas Lilladher and Motilal Oswal, Anandrathi, these brokerages have picked 10 stocks and they bet that these stocks will give us good returns, and they've provided with the target price also. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks which the brokerages are bullish on post Q2 results. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of November 11th. So first one on the list is Lakshmi Cement. Its current share price is 307 rupees. The 52-week low is 260, whereas the high is 395. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 25. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 1. The TTM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 45%. 553 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, only the 1 year return is positive, which is 11%. The 3 and 5 year returns are negative, whereas for 3 years it is given us a return of minus 13%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of minus 5%. The target price is 425 rupees. Next one on the list is Bharat Electronics. Its current share price is 108 rupees. The 52-week low is 72, whereas the high is 122. The industry PE is 13, whereas the company PE is 15. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 6. The promoter holding is 55%. 5,098 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1 year return is 14%, the 3 year return is a negative, which is minus 3%, and for 5 years it is positive, which is given as a return of 10%. The target price is 138 rupees. Next one on the list is HDFC. This is not a HDFC bank, it is HDFC. The current price is 2,223 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,644, whereas the high is 2,357. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 31. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 0.69. The TTM EPS is 122. The promoter holding is 0. The mutual fund investment into the stock is 31,504 crores by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, for 1 year it is given us a return of 22%, for 3 years 17%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 15%. The target price is 2,600 rupees. Next one on the list is JBM Auto. Its current share price is 226 rupees. The 52-week low is 135, whereas the high is 328. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 20. The PB is 3. ROCE is 17, whereas the debt to equity is 0.88. The TTM EPS is 17. The promoter holding is 61%. There is no mutual fund investment into the stock, and returns, all the 3, 1, 3 and 5 year returns are negative. For 1 year it is given as a return of minus 22%, for 3 years minus 6%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of minus 4%. The target price is 385. Next one on the list is Nozzle. Its current share price is 107 rupees. The 52-week low is 74, whereas the high is 183. The industry PE is 21, whereas the company PE is 10. The PB is 1.55. The ROCE is 24, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 10. The promoter holding is 33%. 44 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1 year return is negative, which is minus 35%, but the 3 and 5 year returns are positive. So for 3 years it is given us a return of 14%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 18%. The target price is 174. Next one on the list is Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services. Its current share price is 333 rupees. The 52-week low is 284, whereas the high is 484. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 11, whereas the debt to equity is 2. The TTM EPS is 19. The promoter holding is 51%. 2,361 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, the 1 and 3 year return are negative, which is for 1 year it is given as a return of minus 22%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of minus 1.87%. The 5-year return is positive but not a good return, which is given as only a return of 1.20%. The target price is 412. Next one on the list is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Its current share price is 524 rupees. The 52-week low is 277, whereas the high is 527. The industry PE is 77, whereas the company PE is 65. The PB is 10. The ROCE is 19, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. And the TTM EPS is 7.96. The promoter holding is 74%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 4,039 crores by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, we only have 1 and 3 year returns. We don't have 5-year return here. So for 1 year it is given as a return of 44%, and for 3 years it is given as a return of 19%. The target price is 572 rupees. Next one on the list is Karur Vysya Bank. Its current share price is 59 rupees. The 52-week low is 54, whereas the high is 95. The industry PE is 38, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 0.74. The ROCE is 5, whereas the debt to equity is 9.56. The TTM EPS is 2. Promoter holding is only 2%. 862 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, all 1, 3 and 5 returns are negative. So for 1 year it is given as a return of minus 24%, for 3 years minus 8%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of minus 8%. The target price is 82 rupees. Next one on the list is Hawkins Cooker. So if someone is trading or investing through NSE, then you all can't invest in the stock because this is traded only in BSE. The current share price is 3,880 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,606, whereas the high is 4,051. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is 30. The PB is 17. ROCE is 60, whereas the debt to equity is 0.62. TTM EPS is 125. Promoter holding is 56%. 240 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 25%, for 3 years 8%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 2%. The target price is 4,600 rupees. Next one and the last one on the list is Petronet LNG. Its current share price is 282 rupees. The 52-week low is 203, whereas the high is 299. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 15. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The promoter holding is 50%. 3,863 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 29%, for 3 years 16%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 23%. The target price is 352 rupees. So these are the 10 stocks which brokerages like Motilal Oswal, Prabhudas Ladar and Anandrathi bet on post their quarter 2 result. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. But I wanted to let you all know which are the stocks which brokerages are bullish on post their Q2 results. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.